hear that? The engine is humming. Everyone wants to see a four-bagger. Continuing with a four-bagger. Chance to get triple points. It would be crazy to see a brat. Yes, a pleasing fiver. The stakes are getting higher. Is it going to be a six-pack? Here we are, continuing with pins 2 and 5. The beautiful spare. Some more pin action is needed. Trying to smack down pins 3, 6, and 9. Yummy. Cleaned up. Oh! Going strong. Aiming for a home run. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Got the third pin. Turkey. This player seems to be getting warmed up. There's an attempt to get a four-bagger. Chance to get triple points. Here's a shot for a brat. Horrible lead is looming at the other end of the lane. Got pins 1, 2, and 7. Beautiful. I hope the streak goes on. Four-bagger is in the making. A killer shot is needed here. Gosh! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. This player is going for four-bagger. Let's see how the second throw goes. Sumptuous cleanup. Triple points. Everyone wants to see a three-bagger. Chance to get triple points. I would bet my life on a ham bone. A hard-earned strike. Waiting to see yet another great throw. Next up is five-bagger. Got pins 6, 8, 9, and 10. Cleaning up the 8th pin. Pick up. It's been strong for a few frames from this play. This could end up with a ham bone. Trying to pick up stinky leave. Got pins 1, 3, and 6. Trying to make it a three-bagger. That's a turkey. I hope the streak goes on. I hope we'll see a four-bagger. Sumptuous four-bagger. Going strong. I'm all in for a five-bagger. Hard-earned strike. Beautiful, beautiful performance. Lively pin action in the previous frame. Everyone wants to see a Barney Rubble. What a Barney Rubble. Chance to get triple points. It would be crazy to see a turkey. Got pins 6, 9, and 10. Tired. Leave. Other end of the lane. The last one proved decisive. Here's an attempt to get a rhino. So close. The 4th pin needs cleaning. Snazzy. Cleaned up on that one well. Almost. Trying to pick up fiver. Oh, that's exactly what I was afraid triple points at stake, aiming for a three-bagger. What? Continuing after awesome strike. One more strike, too. A Barney Rubble. This player seems to be getting warmed up. This player is going for a three-bagger. Far out. Strike. You know what? I feared that would happen. Trying to smack down the full rack. Swanky cleanup. Trying to start a streak. Holy Toledo, it would be crazy to see a Barney Rubble. Nice. A stunning rhino. Excitement is growing. The sight is fixed on a ham bone. Like that. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. This could end up in a Brad. Wow. It's getting hot in here. I wouldn't be surprised to see a sixer. Attempt to fix it now. Pins 3 and 6 to convert. Got sixer. A double. Good. The streak is on. Here we are, trying to make it a three-bagger. Oh, so close. Pin 10 is looming at the other end of the lane. Spare. And here's how you stand out from the rest. The 7th pin and the 9th pin to convert. Got pin 9. A turkey. I think we all want to see this one play out well. Is it going to be a four-bagger? Good. I hope the streak goes on. Is it going to be a Brad? It's a fiver. It's been some solid playing. I wouldn't bet my life on a six-pack. Bam! Shot a six-bagger. It's been some solid playing. Here's a serious attempt for a seven-bagger. Yes! The pressure is building. I'm all in for an eight-bagger. Look at that. It's getting hot in here. Here's a serious attempt for a nine-bagger. Nice to see this happen every now and then. Continuing with pins 1, 3, and 6. Got pin 1. Trying to make it a turkey. Bam! Shot a three-bagger. The streak is on. A home run attempt is on. Here we go. Pins 3, 6, and 9 needs cleaning. Got pin 6 on. The sight is fixed on a three-bagger. It's time to dust it off. Trying to pick up a dime store. Far out. This could be a start for a streak. Here's a shot for a double. Trying to smack down pin 5. What a cleared that one. That was bad. Hold on to your hats. The sight is fixed on a ham bone. Trying to pick up pins 1, 2, and 4. Rhino. The machine has started. Here's a serious attempt for a three-bagger. A hard-earned strike. Hold on to your hats. Here's a go for a ham bone. Great. This player seems to have it all figured out. The previous throw was great. A double or a total meltdown. Which will it be? Darn! The 6th pin and the 10th pin waiting at the deck. Whoa! The machine has started. Everyone wants to see a home run. Look at that. Warm-up is definitely done now. Here's a shot for a Brad. What? I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited here. Next up is Wild Turkeys. Let's see how the second throw goes. Got pins, 6 and 9. Fiver must be dealt with now. Magnificent cleanup. For turkey or a mental breakdown. Let's watch. Looking forward to this throw. I hope we'll see a home run. Nice home run. The plane is about to fly. The goal for this throw can only be a 5-bagger. Like that. This player has been able to put on a reassuring rhythm to the game. Listen to that. The crowd demands a 6er. I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited here. I hope we'll see a ham turkey dinner. So close. This is what makes watching bowling so exciting. Yikes, it's hard. The 4th pin and the 7th pin is looming at the other end of the lane. Pickup. Continuing with a turkey. The points are soaring, but can this continue? Is it going to be a ham bone? Up in the game with a 4-bagger. Looking forward to this throw. Looking for a 5er. And now it's the time to go for a pickup.